You might recognize the rocking exercise on the Spine Corrector because it's also an exercise from the advanced classical matwork. However, here on the Spine Corrector, you're on a round surface rather than a flat mat. And even though the same amount of your belly is touching the surface, the barrel somehow makes you feel less supported. You really have to hold on to your center because, let's face it, nobody wants to face plant onto the ground. Let's go through this exercise on the Spine Corrector slowly and learn how it will inform your body. Watch me first and then give it a try for yourself. I recommend you warm your back up first with the swan exercise on the Spine Corrector. If you don't know the swan, I'll link my video explaining that exercise up here and down below in the description. To set yourself up for rocking, come lying on the barrel in the same way you do for swan. Find that sweet spot where you can lift your legs up straight behind you and your arms out into a T and balance. Then bend your knees and reach your arms back to hold your feet. Try to grab them at the same time. Push your feet back into your hands to simultaneously lift your thighs and chest up. Then lift your thighs a little higher to start your rock, and then your chest, and then your thighs, and then your chest. And you're going to keep rocking back and forth for about 5 times. You never want to think about going down. The trick to keeping your two-way stretch in your body and the space in your lower back and not falling off the barrel is to reach out through your head and then out through your thighs. One side just lifts higher than the other, so you never give in to gravity. After your 5 rocks, you can push back into the rest pose behind the barrel and stretch your back the other way, so you're rounding it. Okay, it's your turn to give it a try now. Follow my guidance. Come forward on your barrel and lift your arms and legs up into a T shape. Take your time here to make sure you have found that sweet spot to balance and you're already working on your two-way stretch. Bend your knees, reach your arms back and hold your feet. Push your feet into your hands and lift your chest and thighs up high. Lift your thighs higher, then lift your chest, then your thighs, then your chest. 3 more rocks, remembering to really push your feet back into your hands and find space in your lower back. Then push back behind your Spine Corrector into a rest pose to finish. The next time you do rocking on the mat, I want you to remember how it felt doing it on the Spine Corrector. Just how much lift and length you have to find not to fall off. And see if you can work just as hard on the mat. If you're interested in learning about my online offerings, check out pilateswithmela.com. Whether you're interested in taking a one-off virtual session or joining the Contrology Hub, an online monthly membership community where I offer personal feedback in-app in the progression zone, and virtual one-on-one sessions in the mastery zone, built into an affordable monthly rate. There's something for everyone. If you're curious about where to buy new or used classical Pilates equipment, head over to my resources page. I'll leave the link for both down below in the description. And lastly, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I'll see you next time.